If I have to be alone, then I should make my mind serene. After all, you're born alone, you die alone. You might as well spend every moment in between alone. But if I have to be alone, then it will be on my own terms. I can never talk about it, ever show it, even though the world is watching while I squirm alone. And your bleeding heart, friends say, isn't it sad? Then they all go make love over you, go insane, insane. If I have to be alone, and if nobody understands the special creature that is